Oh, hey there. So we are back with Google Contacts plugin. Now I'm going to show you how to search for contacts. So in order to search for a contact, you have to give the keyword. So there is this input here. I'll search for contacts that start with letter A. So as you can see, all the results with A as the name of the contact. Then I'll give K. So as you can see, there is only one contact with AK. If I remove the K to L, you can see there are no results. So there is no contact with that. If I replace A with G, yeah, so you can see there are some with G as the keyword. So yeah, this is how you search for contacts by their keywords. So now I'll show you which API I'm using to search for contacts. So so this is the repeating group where I'm using API called search contact, which is asking for access token, then the query. Query will be the input value that I gave here, and it will search according to that query, and it will give all the results based on that. So yeah, this is how you search for contacts by their keywords. Thank you.